Rise and shine and rise and grind, guys. A very good morning to everyone. Just getting started over here. Um, for those that attended the live session yesterday, knew about my execution somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, the market, the Nasdaq fell all the way down, and now it's going up. So we're in display. Let's see. For anyone that has questions, feel free to ask. Logging in into all the systems, making sure everything is up and running. Gonna have some coffee hour. Boom. All right, so let's see. All right, so let's see what's happening this morning, what's happening today. It seems as if there was a change in direction this morning. We were bearish until this morning, somewhere around 7, 8 o'clock, and the market has decided to go back bullish, go back up. Let's see how that goes. We're actually targeting the 200 line or a little bit further, and let's see what's going to happen today. So far everything seems to be going towards the bullish. Wow. All right. Push the beard. Let's see what's happening on Facebook, what's happening on Instagram. I might just need to put you over here, put you over there, and put you over there. Got three tabs open. Are we live on Twitch? There. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Today is Ask Me Anything Monday. What we're looking at is the Nasdaq 100, which is now in a uptrend. Yesterday we got the play to the downtrend, to the bearish trend, and we made some money. Now we're going to the opposite side. As you can see, we're not stressed out. My system, my indicator tells you exactly where we're going, what's happening, right? This is a B setup play, the B setup, which means we're going against the trend, but there's still money to be made. If you have questions, what this is all about, or if you want to ask me any personal questions, feel free to do so. put a comment, write a message in the comment. I'm both streaming here on my Instagram on dkramer_e and on YouTube dkramer_e. If you want to re-watch this video, everything is being backed up on my YouTube. Okay, go give me a follow. I'm also trying to bring up my TikTok. However, I'm not posting on that much, but I want to start broadcasting on that. So if you can give me a follow there as well, I would appreciate it. So who do we have in the chats? Both on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. Please send me a message saying a good morning to everyone. And where are you from? See, this is the thing about going against the trend. However, we're not stressed. Everything is still showing that we are that the course is still bullish. We don't live inside candles. Okay, so let me take a look at something else.
Biggest.
All right, let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Is the market gonna die again? We'll know soon enough. Let's see. Is the market trending today, or is it going to be another slow market day? So where is everybody from, man? Are we still on? Are we still on? Are you guys still there? I seem to have had some technical difficulties with the internet connection. Where's Facebook? Yep, I lost my viewers. Am I still live? Let's go to Facebook and take a look at that. Seems like it. Am I still live? Let's go to Facebook and take a look at that. Okay. Might be getting a reversal, but we're not panicking yet. What is the market doing today? Fat log. Let's see who we have on YouTube. Alright, let's see who's online. Dum 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 dum. Yeah. Where are we? Where's everybody from, guys? Shoot me a message. Let me know you guys are alive. Who we have in the chat? Check something else out. Dum 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 dum. Let's see. Yeah, this is the beauty about if you have a good system, if you know what you're doing, right? You trust the system. Dum 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 dum. So how's everybody doing, man? You guys are awfully quiet. By the way, I'm streaming both on YouTube. I'm looking at chats, YouTube, Instagram, and on Facebook. I'm also trying to get my Twitch up and running, but for whatever reason, it's not letting me. So yesterday was Facebook, and today it's Twitch. I might just be able to only stream on a maximum of three providers on one stream. Insta, YouTube, and FB. Yeah. Yeah, guys. All right, coffee uurtje. I don't know. Anybody? Sandra, should I be talking Dutch or English? Hebben we alleen maar Nederlands sprekenden hier? Of moet ik Engels praten? Hey, I'm just gewoon coffee uurtje. I'm just shooting the shit, man. Just enjoying the day. It's another beautiful day full of blessings, right? You are what you think about. You manifest and you create everything you think about. Ja, of je manifesteert en creëert alles waaraan je denkt. Dus denk alleen maar positieve dingen. Denk aan vooruitgang, denk aan groei. Denk aan over jouw problemen komen en jouw barrières overbruggen. Alleen zo groeien we. Laat niemand je anders wijs maken dat dat je geen fouten mag maken, want door fouten te maken en ze te analyseren en te evalueren, kan je alleen maar tot groei komen. Natuurlijk moet je problemen wel leren op te lossen. En de grootste problemen, the biggest problems that we have are either towards our health, our wealth, and our relationships. So those are the three aspects, the results that you need to have, that you need to keep in equilibrium. And for the people that don't know what equilibrium means, that is keeping it in balance. Je moet het in balans weten te houden. Right? Het gaat niet altijd, het kan niet voor altijd blijven regenen. It's not gonna rain forever, right? It can't. Just basically, unless you're in the desert, and even then, look at Dubai, right? It's the land of the future. It's somewhere where they didn't think they were able to build anything, but look, they got skyscrapers, they have everything. So why not have that growth mindset for yourself or for where you are? So you are really only limited by your own imagination, right? Of what you are able to go and achieve and go and create. We are all creators. We zijn allemaal creators welke zich moeten gaan uitzetten om mooie dingen te gaan creëren, te gaan manifesteren. Alright guys. Yeah, let me know if you guys are still with me or if I'm getting too philosophical here. If not, I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee and see what the market does. Make some money. All right. So this is the wealth aspect that I'm into. Right, for health, I started with my health first, and that's what a lot of people neglect. To be quite honest, people are most of the times struggling to fight for their wealth. But if you work on your self image, on your self development, you will grow more and it will prepare you more for the wealth aspect, right? People don't want to hear it, but as there's a saying, right? Don't take a book by its cover, which is true. But if your book, which is your self image, which you have of yourself, but as people see you sometimes as well, right? If you dress a certain way, or if you don't take care of yourself, you don't have good hygiene, right? You're not gonna get hired. You're not gonna get the position, right? It's. I think we all have that intuition that hey, you need a certain um, a certain hygiene for yourself, right? A certain love for yourself, a certain I take care of my soul and everything else. So the health aspect, and it's really in that hierarchy of health, wealth, happiness. Chase your health first, right? And then the wealth will come because if you've been disciplined enough and you have enough belief in yourself and faith in order to get healthy, then you'll be able to get wealthy. That's 100% for sure, unless you have a screwed up paradigm, a screwed up programming, right? A screwed up mindset, and then you need to reprogram your programming, your programs, your add-ons, your bias, your system, your software, right? You need to rescript everything. So there's quite some work to be done. It's your habits, but where there is a will, there is a way. And you have to sometimes get out of your environment. You have to connect with people that are going to make you grow, that will tell you what you need to hear and not what you want to hear, because that's a big issue nowadays. Everybody is politically diplomatic incorrect, and I've worked for diplomats, so I know exactly how that goes, and it's a bunch of garbage and a bunch of junk. So be careful with that kind of attitude. It's not what you need, right? If you want to come up in life, you might as well hear the truth so that you're able to develop and grow in a on a consistent basis, but gradually, but also just grow by hey, this is what it takes, and this is something that a lot of you guys would have noticed haven't gotten because you haven't been in those positions or you didn't have a older brother or a father figure to tell you these things, like, hey, it's you need to, we as men, um, some men at least, we are the disciplinary, right? We'll tell you how the real world is and how hard it can be, right? And the sooner you get to know it, the sooner you'll be able to face the reality, right? And the sooner you'll be able to, how should I say it, play the pieces on the chessboard which we call life. I hope I'm making sense. If you're able to follow me, or you know where I'm at, or you feel lost or anything, shoot me a message. I'm here for you guys. Up until then, I'm just gonna enjoy and sip some coffee, man. Coffee black, by the way. By the way, there's a bit of a delay on, I think, all channels, both. I think only Facebook, and I just saw your message, Fausto. I'll answer you in a minute. Um, Only on Facebook, I believe there's no latency. On YouTube, I know there's latency. Instagram, I'm a little bit unsure from what I'm seeing, and yeah, from Facebook, I'm not so certain. Okay, let's see. Just saw Fausto. Hey, Fausto. Good morning, by the way, brother. Do you do this regularly? I want to sign up. Have to go now. We'll continue watching later. Yeah. So I trade regularly. I started streaming two days ago, since I got my YouTube account approved to live stream, to broadcast. So now, yesterday I went online. Last night I had a trade. I had a couple of people come online and see how I trade, but also to just ask me questions and yeah, shoot the shit. I'll be doing this regularly, most definitely. I don't have any schedule yet, so I'll just come online whenever I feel like doing so. Um, but yeah, I might have a schedule sooner or later, just to have some more consistency. And everything is being backed up to YouTube, so if you want to rewind and look what we spoke about, right, it's going to be all there. And this is just also not only for you guys, also more for me, as becoming the best version of myself, becoming this is the personal development route, which nobody talks about a lot, but every individual needs to go on their own personal journey, on their own personal development, right, in order to become the best version of themselves. I talk about this a lot on my stories for the people that, if this is the first time they're seeing me, because the live video is broadcasting on your wall, I talk about this a lot on my stories about personal development, your health, your wealth, your happiness, right, and the growth mindset. And I want to continue this because this is what I feel. Not only I feel, I notice that we are lacking, and especially as a Surinamese, right? Um, Talking to other Surinamese people, that when I usually start my intros on my stories, I usually say, "Rise and shine, rise and grind. Another day full of endless possibilities and capabilities. Don't have the day just go by without working on yourself," or whatever the message that you need to go and hear. It's so important to understand that the world that we live in, this early world, is full of endless, really endless possibilities and capabilities, and you are really only limited by your imagination if you want to go and achieve whatever greatness, enlightenment, right? Following back the path to the source. I think that's the best route. Not only the best, it is the route to take, but you can only reach it unless you know yourself. You can't know the source unless you know yourself. So we talk about things that are really important, things that are are beneficial to our growth and us as human beings. So, and I don't see a lot of people, especially my age, talk about this. They don't have the results, or they don't talk about other things that go deep. So I want to change that norm, and yeah, I just feel that this is something that I need to do, and this is how I prefer and choose to do it. Right, I'll come online every now and then. I'll help people out where I can. Of course, I have my programs that I have for sale. One-on-one coaching, both in health and in wealth. But yeah, that's it. So market is opening at the moment. But thanks for the question, Fausto. I appreciate it. I got a message right here. It is. All right. Thank you. Uh, Iwan, you're on YouTube. That's great. Thank you. Give me a follow for everyone that's here. I know YouTube has lag, but YouTube does have a backup. So if you want to ever see some reruns, see what we spoke about, I try to drop gems, golden nuggets every time. So if you pay attention, right, if you put your mind to work, if you give that mind of yours some work to think, you will receive some valuable lessons, some valuable golden nuggets, which will help you on your path here on this earthly world. So don't take this for granted. Don't think that, hey, I'm just jabbering stuff, because that's where you are shooting yourself in the foot, and you're doing yourself a big disservice, right? So pay close attention to things that I say, because they all come from the source. Right, when you're connected to the source, you're in the flow state. Things start coming, and they're usually valuable lessons that will help you on your navigating your path here on earth. Okay, so I truly do believe that everybody needs to be able to become healthy and wealthy, and of course be happy for themselves and for everybody around them. But you need to first work on yourself, have the growth mindset, and know what you want to go and achieve and what you want to go and reach. All right. Market open. What's market gonna do, man? So far, the market is telling me they're still in a bullish trend. The course is still bullish, so we're not gonna stress. There's usually a spike at 10:30. I like to close my position before that time. Let's see. The strength has gone down a bit, but yeah, this is also part of life, right? You've got ups, you've got downs. We need to keep it in equilibrium and balance. All right, let's see. Doom, 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 doom. I might just take profit whenever this thing goes back up, and see what the market does. However, everything, the ribbon, the course is showing bullish, bullish, bullish. Let's see if we have any questions anywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's gotta keep up. Yeah, but yeah. Dum, 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 dum. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if my thesis is correct. So my system works this way. Usually, when the ribbon, right, the ribbon turns into bearish, right, red, we go out. We keep on playing the trend. So actually, now I would have gone out, but the strength, the course to the upside to bullish is very strong. So, but market is also opening. So we don't know what's going to happen just yet. So I'm just gonna my uh, keep my thesis to bullish, right? Bullish, course bullish, 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 right? It's a B setup. It's not because we're going against the trend. If you were here last night, you know that I said that hey, we actually never go against the trend. So this is actually a B setup, and it's not something I would advise for beginners to do. But hey, I'm taking a risk so that I'm taking a risk for mankind so that people can see what is possible and what is also not possible. And I felt like coming online and talking to whoever needs to hear this message, who wants to learn what I'm doing, how I'm uh, maintaining, right? This is the wealth aspect, the health aspect we can talk about as well, and the relationships, struggles. I'm here for you guys again. Just send me a message if you feel shy for whatever reason because yeah, you don't want everybody to see your message. Just send me a private message or send me a message in private, okay? Yeah, I think one of the biggest struggles is most definitely shame, jealousy, right? People self sabotage, and I talk about this a lot as well. People self sabotage themselves a lot. Self sabotage is one of the biggest bottlenecks and culprits holding you back of growing, right? Self sabotage with relationships you should no longer be in, individuals you should no longer be in contact with, right? And yeah, the drinking, right? The vices, the recreational drugs, right? Overconsumption of food, um, all those kind of things are self sabotage, right? The TV, the media, things I no longer watch. I really. Who the hell is calling me? Give me a sec, guys. Hallo? Ik go, Favi. Ja. Aha. Ik ben live nu. Welke Rajkumar? Dingen no? Sanjit. Ik ben even live nu, boy. Vertel. Ik kan wel naar je luisteren. Ik ben wel live. Ja, maar je ziet me nog. Je kan me vragen stellen online en dan beantwoord ik het wel. Zit hij bij. Yeah, so that's how you see that. Got to call somebody interested in trading as well. Okay, let's see. So how's everybody doing, man? Shoot me a message, man. Let me know you guys are alive. Whoever's still with me. If not, I've been on the stream for how long? About 34 minutes. I'll probably run up 45 minutes to an hour. See what happens. Market's usually open. Market is actually open. That I have that indicated in my indicator, right? This whole system, what you're seeing, the D Kramer E Ultimate, D Kramer E, that's my name. That's this system, right? Everything with the colors and stuff. And yeah, the when market opens, a New York market opens for future trading, right? It indicates that by the blue black ground. For people that do Forex that want to trade Forex, right? I also are Asia, right? That are going to trade Forex. And Forex is usually your is USD, Euro, right? Those stickers. I also have the sessions I have programmed in my indicator, so you can highlight, right, those sessions by just checking, and if I click OK, you see the background change, and this is Asia session, this is here London session, and then right after London session you get New York session. So if you wanted to trade those hours, excuse me, and know exactly at what time those sessions start. I'm only looking at the optimal hours for futures. That's usually the New York time sessions, and that's indicated over here. All right, so boom, 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 boom. Market is open, and then you have a specific hour that all the orders come in, and that will also be identified by a opening range box. That's where they decide if the market will if they will either push the market up or down, if they will go bullish or if they will go bearish. Okay, but so far my thesis, everything tells me that they are going bullish. The market fell a lot yesterday. We were able to make some money on this drop. I had predicted that it would fall here, and it did fall on that support and resistance. So all the lines that you are seeing are support and resistance. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Yeah, man. Boom, 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 boom. Let me see. I have to go back and forth through apps to see if I have questions anywhere. But as you can see, I'm not stressed at all. I know how much I'm willing to lose, but I'm also confident about my system and how that works. Okay? You need to have a good plan of action. Failing to plan is planning to fail, as they say, which is also true. Sometimes I break my own rules, and this is where discipline comes to play, and discipline comes to play with everything in life. If you want to get healthy, you need discipline. You need to be able to put the spoon down. If you want to be wealthy, you need to be able to make strategic decisions on which path you are going to follow, right? If you're going to, and how you're going to invest your money, right? Invest your money on assets, things that will help you grow. That's really very, very valuable, things that will make you grow, like investing yourself so that you gain more knowledge, but put all that knowledge to play. Focus on one thing instead of liabilities, right? So, yeah. Anyways, some more coffee. I'll probably be back online later in the afternoon or at night to do the night session. Let me know how you guys are liking this so far, where you guys are from. Do I need to continue doing this? English or Dutch preferred? Let me know. All feedback is welcome. I could care less if if you don't like it that much, to be quite honest. No, I do care, guys. I do care. But yeah, I really want to know what kind of feedback I am getting so that I can improve this and know where I need to go with this. So far, yeah, it seems to be favorable. Done. Let's go here. guys. Let me go to few posts. Let me make sure that. Okay. Dat is mooi, dat is perfect. Dat is wat we willen zien. Okay. See guys, I was first in the red, now I'm in the green again. I was up about 40 to 50 bucks. Just playing small. We're not in a hurry. Alright. See what the market gives us. No stress. Alright. So market officially opens, or at least a lot of orders come in around 12-ish, 11:30-ish. So up to this point, everything is still showing bullish. We just don't know if it's going to go up to the 200 with this line here. The EMA 200 or the EMA 200 is a very important line that divides the bullish between the bearish, right? Everything is color coded, so red means bearish, so we're only looking for sells, right? And green means bullish. That means we're only looking to buy. So now I'm going against the trend, but everything is telling me that, hey, the trend is, they're going towards an uptrend. They're trying to bring prices back up after prices reached a low of yesterday about 20,000. Okay. But yeah, what we are trading here is the Nasdaq 100. And it has been in a bearish trend for a while now, so I don't think it's going to go that much up, especially on a Monday, but you never know. And also because of there's no news today, no high event news, right, that can impact the market, but also because of all the events taking place in the United States with the fires. So yeah. I'm just thinking about something. I might just start streaming on Rumble also to see. If you guys don't know about Rumble, then guys, you need to educate yourself. What is happening around the world. Rumble is, let me see, is the free speech platform. Is the free speech platform that you all need. It's where people still go and have Discord and talk about stuff that actually matter. Okay? So I'll probably start broadcasting over there as well. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see what the market is going to do now. So far, everything is still bullish. And a lot of people would be stressed, and be like, "Hey, just take the $50 that you just had, or the 28 or how much, right?" But I want to show you guys something. This is a learning moment, a teaching moment. What else would you do on a Monday morning, man? Let me send this guy a message. Boom, boom. I don't like what the market is doing. A lot of indecision happening here, a lot of back and forth, but everything is still showing me that they are bull. So we're gonna hold on to our thesis. In the meanwhile, let's see who we still have online, who we need to reach, what we need to talk about. Again, today is Ask Me Anything Monday, guys. Monday over here is Ask Me Anything, and Friday is What Are You Struggling With? However, those are the official days, but that doesn't mean that we can have it during the rest of the week when I get online. All right. Dum 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 dum. Dum dum. Yeah. A lot of people will be stressed right now, but this is typical market open. I don't like to trade market open, but I'm also testing my system out and just trying. Like I said, it's a teaching moment. That if the trend says it's bullish, we hold on to bullish until the system tells us otherwise, right? The system actually does tell you, especially when the ribbon changes from green to red, that's actually a moment that you need to step out. But up to that point, we're still going to stay bull. Dom, 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 dom. What else do we have? What else do we have? Bomb, bomb, bomb. Yeah, I know a lot of people want to see like bigger numbers, like $10, $12, $15. But let me ask y'all something, man. I mean, I can play more contracts, right? But I'm trying to prove a point here. How easy it is for for everyone to go and make a couple of bucks. I mean, do you have an extra $11, $10 in your pocket right now? Right? How easy it is, right? Get education on how to make money if this is for you. Proper education, learn a high valuable skill and rock, and then start to work on yourself. Or first, I would say work on yourself first. Fix your attitude, right? Fix your habits. Stop the devices. Get your headset straight. Get your mindset straight. Get your environment straight. And then get a job. Put all your money into investing in yourself, into proper education that you know that will make you more than what you're getting paid now. And hey, live free. All right. Enough jabbering. I still have a bit of coffee left. I'm probably going to finish my coffee, and then from there, if there are no questions, I'm going to. I've been streaming for about 49 minutes and counting. And Crystal Valerie, welcome. Where are you from, Crystal? Today, by the way, on Monday is Ask Me Anything Monday. Put in the chat. On the Fridays, we have What Are You Struggling With? To become the best version of yourself. Where are you from? I'm streaming both on YouTube and on Facebook and on Instagram. I'm trying to bring up my TikTok. However, I don't post there as much. Go give me a follow on D Kramer E or Dino Kramer. I don't like TikTok, man. I feel as if since the coming of TikTok, people have gotten TikTok brain. You understand what I'm saying? TikTok brain. So they have a attention span of a peanut, and that's working against you. You're supposed to be able to know exactly what the point is that you're trying to bring across, right? Even me, I'm I speak two languages, and even then, I try my utmost best to speak English to you guys, at least to the people. Oh, I'm from Suriname. Hallo, nog een Surinamer, dus jij spreekt Nederlands. Dus ja, het is. Oké, dan kan ik nu. I can go back and forth between Dutch and English. Right? Het is. TikTok heeft ervoor gezorgd dat we een attention span hebben van a peanut, right? We have an attention span of a peanut thanks to TikTok, right? Where people seem not to think rationally, ask about the whole situation, right? It's just like, okay, this happened and that's it. Let's condemn you. It's ridiculous, right? You need to know the oorzaak. You need to know exactly how everything occurred. You need to put the pieces together, right? And that's the same way you need to put the pieces together to your puzzle, to where you are right now. If you're not happy with your existence or the situation you're in, assess and evaluate how you came to where you are right now. You understand? Assess it, evaluate, right? The choices that you've made, right? You can't go and fix those, or at least you can't go back and fix those. You have to fix everything that you're able to fix right now. Steve Jobs says it very beautiful. He says, we can only connect the dots that we've already passed, right? Everything that what's in front of us, the future that we still need to connect, that's a blank area. That's a blank canvas for you to go and discover, right? And you are in this movie that we are in here, right? You're the director, you're the creator. So you have to put your own script together, right? You have to put your own script together. It's such a beautiful thing. We take life and existence for granted, with the things that we sometimes do with ourselves. And yeah, I don't know, man. I'm probably too much for a lot of people, and a lot of people don't want to talk about. But that's just the thing. That's why I decided to come online and start talking with whoever needs to get my messages and whoever needs to learn, or whoever is also stuck somewhere in life and don't know, hey, where do I fit in this chessboard, this earthly world? You understand what I'm saying? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna snip this because this is gonna be a good reel. But yeah, you see how trading works? Ups and downs, ups and downs. And that's life. It's ups and downs. Don't go stressing about stuff. You made your choices, you did your thesis, right? You go with the flow and you see, like, okay, this is my new battle. This is my new mission, right? This is the new task at hand that I need to go and take. So, yeah. Wow. All right, so who do we still have online? Okay. All right. So let's see. Do we have any questions? Do we have anything going on? If not, guys, I'm just gonna end the stream, and I'll probably update you guys later with what happened over here. Not stressed at all. The market might made a slight change. So what I've got built into my indicator as well, whenever the market decides that they might make a change, that is indicated by the gray candles. However, my thesis still stands bullish. Everything's still bullish. So we're gonna leave it at bullish and see what happens. Learning moment. We are going against the trend, by the way, so that is important to know. But I really wonder what's going to happen at market open. So you guys are gonna get the chance to witness that with me. If you, if we plan on staying. If not, I'm gonna go do something else. Leave my trade open. I already put my take profit, which is here, and I already placed my my stop loss. Very important things to know, very important things to have. Whenever you start trading, you need to put your stop loss because the market can always do a U-turn on you and you might up ending losing everything. Okay? But that's the thing with life as well, right? It's decision time, it's take action time. Let's see, who do we still have online? Oh man, it's awfully quiet. Boom. I wonder why I was unable to stream on Twitch. Hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what the market's gonna do. Market still shows to be bullish. Doesn't know if it wants to be a bull or a bear. The overall trend is still bull, so we're gonna leave it at bull. Might be some indication to bear. We are going against the trend, so well. Let's see as if let's see if there's going to be a market that everything is still showing bull. There is a long candle. That's a long wick. Yeah, at this time, if I were playing myself, like I said, the ribbon is an indication of, hey, there might be a reversal. But at this point, I'm just going to leave it for demonstration and see how my thesis, which is still going bullish, tells me. That is a long wick. They're trying to get everybody out and go back to bearish. Exciting stuff, right? Exciting stuff. Let's see. All right, we've been streaming for 1 hour. I said the market usually opens around this time, and there's a lot of activities trying to decide if they're either going to go bull or bear. There's a lot more action usually around 12 o'clock. This is also a lot of action for this time. Let's see what the market's going to do. It's trying to wipe out everybody that had their orders over here. I'm really far behind. Yeah, so there were some speculations about the market even being bullish today, especially with such a downfall and no news and the fires up there in the United States. But yeah, even though there are events occurring right now in the United States, the trading market is still open, so orders are going to come in to either buy or sell. So I do expect some, at least there has been already some action to the upside. Let's see. Quick refresh here. Boom, 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 boom. All right. All right, guys, I think I'm going to end the stream for now. I'll be back later. Got to do a 10-100 and 10-200. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Very valuable code to know. And I'll talk to you guys later. Oos.